for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Honda Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, leather seats, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.